All right, morning everybody. We're in beautiful Penticton, BC, up on the Near Bench. We're gonna do just a little section of the KVR. I've always kind of wanted to do a section of the Kettle Valley Railway. It's just a cool little never-ending gravel path that goes up to some pretty cool views. So let's go check it out. Oh man, it's so cool out here. Kind of a brisk morning, but at least we're moving up a little bit. Super gentle grade, like 2% or something, so easy going. Not bad. Here's my new house. I wish. Cool. I just love all these super cool little canyons that they cut in. Like, that's so neat. I'm gonna try and not say neat as much in this one because I say neat a lot. You don't realize until you watch yourself, but anyway. Let's roll. Coming back out under the bluffs. Oh, what a view. Not bad. Not bad. Oh man, what a day. So beautiful. It's hard to know where to look. It's all just so awesome. All right, coming up on super cool feature here. One that I've been waiting to come across. We got a tunnel, baby. Oh, that's so cool. Woo. Forgot my lights. Oh man, that's so cool. Woo. Ew. Now that is super cool. Oh, you're rewarded with a nice view. So, made it to the first switchback, which is the road carries on and goes up and then up and up. I'm kind of pressed for time today because I have to go home and work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna pull back down the hill now from the switchback one here. But it'll be pretty cool rip downhill. Awesome climb up. I mean, it's like 2-3%. It's one of those like false flats. You don't even feel the climb. And you know, what have we done? Yeah, like 350. And 16k, so yeah, super easy, super mellow, beautiful running surface. Looks like it runs a little bit tougher over there, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna come back here. I want to complete the trip to Kelowna. That'll be my my thing one day here. But anyway, let's hammer back down and go have some wine. Now you can pin it. Oh, this is the best. Coming back into the views. Woo. Oh, there's a coyote. Got him on the run. Good down. They got a little paved section up at the top here near the tunnels, which is kind of nice. Makes for a nice, cool, fast section here. Oh, look at the view. Woo. Man, I tell you, that is something else. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yeah. Rolling back into the tunnel. So, stopped and had some snacks and enjoyed the view. We got about, I think, 5-6K to hammer down now, so should go pretty quick. So let's get back at it. Oh, these valleys are so neat. Woo. Alright, back down into the super affordable housing. Oh, what a place to live. Woo-hoo. A lot of people on this end. Well, that's okay. Beautiful day for it. Oh, little jump feature. Back to the car. That was really, really cool. Oh, want to do more of it. All right, back to the car. Bike's all loaded, good to go. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Definitely gonna come back here. That was just a little taste of the KVR, and I've always wanted to do it. So to be able to kind of test it out was fun, and I'll be back. So thanks for coming.